One spooky Halloween night, deep in the haunted forest, Miss Itsy and Stryder were searching for something very mysterious.
Hey Stryder! Legend says that somewhere deep in these woods lives a magical Halloween creature that leaves glowing slime behind wherever it goes.
Wait, what kind of creature leaves glowing goo behind?
It's called the Glopper. Half ghost, half jelly, all goo.
Do you think he likes spiders?
Did you hear that?
What?
What?
That wasn't me! This time?
That was Stryder. Look! There's
Whoa!
glowing slime! The Glopper was here!
It jiggles like alien jelly! I want to keep it forever!
Let's get a sample and take it back to the lab. All right, little scientists, it's time to recreate the Glopper's glowing goo.
But Miss Itsy, how are you going to do that?
Well, you see, we're going to do that by channeling our inner witches.
Whoa! Miss Itsy, you look so spooky!
Oh, thanks, Stryder. You see, little scientists, witches and wizards mix potions, just like chemists mix chemicals. Really, chemistry is behind all the magic potions and gooey slime.
Wow, so witches are just like chemists in disguise?
Exactly. First up, Eye of Newt.
What? Eye of Newt?
I'm just kidding. It's just glue. And it's gonna be our slimy base. Sticky, gooey, and perfect for slime. Now let's make it glow just like the Glopper's goo. What colors do you want to try, Stryder?
Oh, I know. How about orange for Halloween? And green because it's slime.
That's a great idea. How about you, little scientists? What colors do you want to try? You want to try blue? That's a great idea. First up, let's make the orange goo. Now, let's make the green. And finally, the blue. Time to stir. So now that we have our orange, green, and blue slime, it's time to add baking soda to activate the magic. Now it's time to add contact solution, and then we stir, stir, stir. We finished stirring, and now we have our slime. Let's check them out. Let's start with the orange. Whoa! Look at how stretchy it is. Now let's check out the green. Whoa! It's just like the Glopper's goo!
Extra slimy!
And finally, let's look at the blue!
Wow! It's alive! I shall name it Gooey McGlowface!
This slime is so much fun! But wait a minute, does it glow in the dark like the Glopper's goo?
Let's find out!
Okay, let's turn off the lights. Whoa!
Wow, it's glowing in the dark!
It's just like the Glopper's goo! We did it!
Yeah!
We solved the mystery of the Glopper's goo! When we mixed all of these ingredients together, it caused a chemical reaction, which turned the glue into this fun, stretchy slime.
Thanks for helping us solve the mystery, scientists!
Happy Halloween! Come on, everybody! Let's learn about chemistry together!
A chemist mixes elements to make something new, like a witch mixes ingredients for her brew.
They use beakers, flasks, and lots of heat too. It's like magic right in front of you. A chemist mixes elements to make something new. We're gonna see with our eyes, smell with our nose, hear with our ears, and touch with those. What are they? They're hands! Now what do we see with our eyes? Well, I see something that's blue and kind of stretchy. And what do we smell with our nose? Smells kind of like glue. And what do we hear with our ears? A little popping sound. And what do we feel with our hands? Well, I feel something that's kind of squishy. What is it? It's slime! Good job! I had such a spooktacular time today on our Halloween chemistry adventure together. If you want to go on more scientific adventures with me, please subscribe to the channel. And until next time, always be curious, little chemists. Goodbye!